Hello guys, here I am with a new video. So today we're gonna create a glitch effect in Photoshop CC 2019. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, duplicate the layer by pressing CTRL+J on keyboard. Then go to FX and click on blending option. So in the blending option, default there will be channel section. And in channel untick the G green and B blue channel and keep R red ticked only. Now see what did you hide in the background layer. Now select move tool. After that press left key on your keyboard for 5 to 10 times or until you feel it's perfect. Please like the video and make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.